Hi guys, this is Karina. I am back today with another tutorial on my template 52. Template 52 is the smaller version of my template 2. So you will be able, pretty much any flower style that you make with my template 2, you would be able to make with my template 52, but it is a little smaller version. I figured she doesn't really have a video tutorial besides a picture tutorial that I do have under my saved highlight stories when I released her, which I believe it was around 2 years ago when she was released, or maybe less. But I figured now that she has been converted to SVG, I was like, you know what, perfect time to make a video for her. And especially because with SVGs, you guys know me. If you're a follower of me, you know that it took me a very long time to convert my templates to SVG. Now, not all my templates have been converted. I've been doing a little bit here and there just because currently right now I believe I have 92 templates, and converting them, it is a little of a process for me to convert them. But I figured I kind of wanted to first tackle the most popular along with the smallest templates, because a lot of my larger templates, I have been releasing them in smaller versions, and I just find it that obviously with the cutting machine it's a lot quicker, it's a lot easier on your hands. So yeah, so she has been finally released, and I want to share with you guys a quick video tutorial on how to create this flower right here. So I do have another cutie here that I just posted a picture tutorial on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, I do post a lot of picture tutorials. It's at Ariel Lee's Designs. And yeah, so you can make this little cutie right here too. This one, I believe she's around 4 or 5 inches. So again, pretty much if you watch any of my video tutorials on template 2, which I do have a lot of them on Instagram TV and my YouTube channel, you will be able to pretty much recreate those flowers with these petals. So let's get started. So this is what the template looks like. So she does come in hard copy. Hard copy means that I will actually trace the templates for you onto hard copy, 110 cardstock. So it is a very thick cardstock, which will be your hard copy template. I do mail these out. They do have a 3 to 5 day processing time. And there is a shipping fee for those to mail out to you. There's also PDF version. Pretty much you're going to print out the templates and you are going to create your own hard copy template. The day you purchase it is a day that you will receive the template. My template website is through Shopify, so they will be the ones sending you an email. In some cases, it doesn't happen. You just message me either on Instagram or my email, which is arielleesdesigns@gmail.com. And then, but again, with PDFs, once you purchase a template right away, they will give you the download option, and they will also send you an email. And that's also with my SVG, guys. With the SVGs, so SVGs are for cutting machines. So the Cricut, the Silhouette, I'm not pretty sure of other cutting machines that are out there. But yes, with the SVGs, again, once you purchase the template, you will receive the download option along with an email. Now with the SVG, I'm going to tell you that there will be directions on there instructing you on how to size each of the petals. I do have a video on my Instagram TV along with my YouTube channel explaining to you how to upload my SVG templates and how to adjust the sizing. It's for Cricut. I do part 1 is for Cricut and part 2 is for Silhouette Studio. So if you are unfamiliar with the SVG world, go ahead and watch that video as I walk through you step by step as to how to upload my SVG templates. So enough chit-chatting, let's get to the tutorial. So here are the 7 petals. So for this cutie right here, we will be using the first 5 petals, and you will be needing 5 petals of each. Okay, so most of my petals are prepped, but I just want to show you. If you hear me sniffling, allergies. So the largest 3 petals, let me grab them. which will be these here. With these petals, guys, you guys are going to curl the petals back like this. So what you're going to need is a wooden dowel. Okay, and just pretty much curl the petal back like this. Voila. Grab your scissors. We are going to cut in the center, in the middle, just like this. Okay, we are going to add a little dot of glue, and then you're going to cross it over just like that. So you're going to do this for the 3 largest petals. Now for your last 2 of your smallest petals, we are going to be curling the petals forward. So I have one right here. So here is a petal. Now I am using 65-pound weight cardstock, and this dark green is actually from Michael's. And then just repeat the same thing. So instead of just going backwards, you're going forward. Just like that. Okay, so let's get started. Start off with your largest 5, and we will be going around in a circle. So pretty much start the same way as I pretty much do with my templates, is that you're just going to be adding a little dot of glue and gluing. I do have, so I know my template too has a larger version on this tutorial. I think it's a picture tutorial under my saved highlight story. So perfect example here. I always get excited when this happens just to show you guys. So when I added the little dot of glue, I just add a little dot of glue so that way I can readjust the petal if the circle does not come out perfect. I know there's a lot of people out there who do templates and use bases to help them form this, you know, this circle. I don't do that. I don't know. It's just me. I don't really like doing that. So perfect example here. I don't like that circle. So this petal needs adjusting. So I'm just going to lift that petal back up. Going to add some glue. And then readjust the petal. And voila. There we go. I'm just going to add a little glue right here. And there we go. And I mean, we have that little where I lift it up, but that's okay because we are covering it up. Now we need to cut out a circle to cover this up. So I am just using my scraps. As you can see here, this is what my Cricut cut my petals out. So I'm just going to use a space over here and cut out a circle just to cover that up. The circle does not have to be perfect. It just has to be wide enough to cover that up. There we go. So I'm just going to add glue around and just glue her. There we go. On to the next size. You are going to glue and just go in between the petals. Just like this. So you can see it's not hard at all. I really need to start using her more often. I use template 2 a lot, but I find myself not using this one too much, but I really need to start to. So there's the second layer. Onto the third layer, which the petals are curled back just like the first 2. If you're wondering what glue gun I am using my Sure Bonder, and it's the mini detailed, which you guys know I love using that glue gun when I am working with smaller flowers, just because the nozzle is so thin. Okay, there we go. So now we are on to our last 2 petal sizes, and we will be repeating the same thing. Going in between, going around, just like this. Okay, and we are on to our last one. Now with this one, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to the right. Oh wait, it should be the left. I'm going to get rid of that one right there. That's just because I'm going to tuck the petal underneath that one. As you can see, super quick. Now, because, I mean, these petals are so tiny, guys, that a small wooden dowel comes in handy. Okay, on to the last petal. And there we go. She is all done. Now, center-wise, it is up to you. What would you like to use? You can make a little pom-pom, which I have a lot of video tutorials actually on my template too, where I have a similar flower style. I do share how to make a pom-pom. You could always use your Cricut to make, so this is the, oh my gosh, which one is this one? Is it the peony? I believe this is called the peony image that you could use. Or one of the things that I like to use is gems. I'm a sucker for gems. I love adding just a little hint of bling, and it's always so cute. And I believe these are from Michaels, this black one. I really love black. And voila. There you go. You are all done. Super cute. And she is around, let's see, measuring her right here. I don't know if you can see. She is around 7 inches. So she is a little cutie. So I hope you found that helpful. And tag me if you have any of my templates on Instagram, because I love sharing with my followers. So again, my templates can be found at www.arielelisedesigns.com. And guys, make sure to check the banner on the top of the homepage, because I'm always having sales. So check that out for any discounts. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.